Hello everyone! Today, we're going to talk about growing mint at home. Mint is a beautiful, fragrant and delicious herb that can be used in a variety of culinary dishes. But did you know that growing mint at home is easy and can even be fun? In just a few simple steps, you can have fresh mint leaves all year round. First, let's talk about the best time to plant mint. The ideal time is during the spring or autumn, when the ground has had some time to cool down after the winter. This allows the soil to dry out enough to prevent waterlogging. When planting mint, choose a spot in your garden that gets plenty of sunlight, as mint needs at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. Make sure the soil is well draining, as mint prefers well-draining soil to prevent root rot. Now, let's talk about how to plant mint. Start by taking a healthy young mint plant and remove the lower leaves. Then, slice the stem at an angle, about 6 to 8 inches below the root ball. This will help the plant absorb water and nutrients more effectively. Finally, plant the slice in the soil, making sure that the top inch of soil is exposed. Water the plant well and cover it with a clear plastic bag. This will help to maintain humidity and prevent the leaves from drying out. When it comes to caring for your mint plant, it's important to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. You can water the mint regularly, but avoid overwatering as this can lead to root rot. Mint also loves rich, well-draining soil, so make sure to add compost or organic matter to the soil each year to help maintain its health. And there you have it. Growing mint at home is simple and rewarding. Give it a try and enjoy the fresh, fragrant mint leaves in your kitchen and throughout your home. Happy gardening!